on the back side of the manifold, on the underside of the manifold, you're going to notice that this has basically a thread inside. Okay, not a lot of the foam cannons out there have that, and this one has a thread on it. And the beautiful thing about that is that you could use standard soap bottles, and this is kind of a standard bottle that I created myself, and you could basically screw this on and allow this to be your extra soap canister. So you don't necessarily have to use the clear bottle one with the quick connect. You can also use a standard soap bottle. So let's try another soap bottle so I can show you. So this is a standard soap bottle. And then what we're going to be able to do, and let me raise this up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better, is screw this on. And there you go, right? Soap directly from here, and you could dilute your soap, whatever you want your soap to be. Either it's full strength, or 1:1, or 1:5, or 1:20, whatever you want. And that you can kind of customize and use it. So the beautiful thing about this manifold is that you have the ability to use the bottle that it comes with the quick connect, or a standard soap bottle with the standard top. So a pretty neat little option there for this snow foam cannon.